So hello nature lovers, now let's see some street plants as I am going to walk in the streets of Milan. So I'm just going to show you the names of the plants. So this is Nerium oleander, commonly known as Nerium. It is most common flower plant in India and I found in Italy also. And here see different colors are there and just it is a blooming season. And here you can see the aloe vera, which is also common in our country, and it is commonly growing here. And there are many plants which I don't know because they are totally new to me, but here it is the loropetalum, that is Chinese fringe, and here are some other plants I don't know the name. And here you can see the fountain grass, that is botanically known as pennisetum cetaceum. And here inside the restaurant we can see the Boston fern, and here some other plants, that is Areca palm. So whenever I'm walking in the street or walking in the everywhere, I just see the plants, which plants are there, etc., etc., because I found very new plant. For example, this red Bistort, it is totally new to me and I'm seeing it for the first time. So this is September month, so it is approximately end of summer in Italy, so all these are the flowering season. So at the end of summer, here that is 4 o'clock plant, that is Mirabilis jalapa, and Ruellia simplex. Actually it is one kind of like a petunia because the flowers look same as that of petunia. And here there are many different plants are there, as you can see, and they are totally new to me. And here is Mahonia winter, it blooms after the winter season, immediately after the winter season. I would say yellow flowers and looks very good. And some others are, this is the Nandina domestica, and commonly it is mainly used for hedge purpose. And in the winter the new leaves are like dark pink in color. And here is, I don't know the name of this plant, if someone know then please do comments below. This is something I thought it is Vernonia, but it is not the Vernonia. And here we can see the Abelia flowers, Abelia grandiflora, and it looks like as that of our jasmine flowers, looks like of jasmine. And there are different new plants, and really it is very difficult even for me to identify them and remember them, especially seeing for the first time. But I am trying to find the new plants and just collecting the information and adding it to my dictionary. And here just I am making videos so that it will be like memorable for me, because I don't know when again I will go back to some other country and I will find different plants. So it will be like collections and memory for me. And also I thought to share it through the social media, so that if someone are interested towards the like exotic plants, etc., then they can see here and they can understand. So this is all the things, just I want to share the information. And this is the like end of summer, so whatever the flowers and plants you are seeing, so this is for summer season, especially in Italy. Italy means the temperate climatic conditions and also some tropical subtropical climatic conditions. So that's it. This is